Hey crafters, welcome to Craft Basics. Today I'm going to be showing you a Dollar Tree find that nobody seems to be talking about. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome, welcome. So I found this in the Dollar Tree and I wanted to, test it for myself to see how, they will turn out. And it does have some instructions on the back and it's pretty straightforward, easy to use. Okay, so if you're into doing t-shirts, you want to do something with a little bit of rhinestones, this is a very affordable way for you to jazz up a plain t-shirt. So the instructions clearly tells you that you can just use an iron to apply these rhinestones. And you pretty much just need to follow step by step because it's pretty easy. So the first thing we need to do is to remove this clear piece from the backing. Okay? Shouldn't be so hard, right? Okay, and we got it. So don't forget to hit that subscription button so you don't miss any of my videos, and that notification bell ensures that as soon as I put one out, it pops up for you. Okay, so I'm removing the back and I already have my shirt laid out, so you can use this to determine how high or how low you want this to fall on your shirt, but we're going to use this as a guide, and I am going to try to ensure that it's centered as much as possible. And properly aligned. I did see something that I need to probably correct with my tool. So I noticed this stone seems as if it got flipped over, which we need to fix. And I'm going to move that in just a minute. Just want to make sure that I have this stone where it is supposed to be. So I guess that is one thing that you have to be mindful of when you're using this particular design, when you're removing the backing. All right, so I'm going to carefully remove this from my ruler. Okay, I did not see that coming, but that's okay. We're learning here. All right, that's gone. And our t-shirt is ready to be printed. And I think this is pretty quick and easy. As I said before, cost effective, and it's just gonna give the t-shirt a nice little buzz. All right, so I'm not going to be using my my bigger heat press. I'm just going to be using this little mini here, and you want to cover the design with a Teflon sheet. I purchased this set on Amazon. These usually come in some of my crafting products, so sometimes when you purchase vinyls, they will send you Teflon sheets as well. So we're just going to press in a circular motion, and we're going to do this for at least 30 seconds. So I really wish they had more prints in the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to be checking out other locations to see if they have, maybe other words, other type of prints that we could put on t-shirts. I think this one is pretty cool. All right, so we want to continue doing that. going across the design to make sure we're capturing every single stone. So now that I think that I have done a good round, what I will do is I'm going to remove the Teflon sheet, and I'm going to turn the shirt inside out to make sure that I'm doing it from that side as well, as instructed on the sheet here that we received in the package. All right, so it's recommended that you turn it on the inside out and you do the same process. Okay. So I'm just repeating the circular motion and ensuring that I'm covering the entire design. So if you ever want to, just jazz up a t-shirt, or you could purchase a couple of these and do some t-shirts and resell them, I think that would be a great resale value. Good profits on that one. And it's a pretty solid design that a lot of people go for. All right, so we're doing this for 20 to 30 seconds. And I think we should be good at this point. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to bring the shirt back on the right side, and you're going to allow this to cool down before removing the plastic. Okay, so I'm going to give this a few minutes to cool down, and then I'll come right back and remove it from the design. Okay, so our design is all cool and ready to be removed. So based on the instructions here, we're allowing this to cool completely, and we're going to peel away the clear sheet slowly. But if we're having any challenges with the stones, we just repeat the process with the heat press. All right. And this is coming off with no issues at all. And it's actually really nice. Wow. Who would have thought? I really like this. So you could actually make a matching set with this design. You could actually do like a top and a tights, a leggings, a shorts with this design, because I actually have two of them. So I could do a matching design with this. So let me know what you think. Is this something that you will try? It seems durable, but I will definitely let you know how it's holding up for me. And yeah, so this is a Dollar Tree find. Go check it out in your Dollar Tree store and get crafting.